Ravi here, and in this video I'm gonna show the process of installation of MIUI 8 in Redmi 1S. It is not a developer based ROM. Uh, it is a stable build which is created by the MIUI developers. It is not developed by anyone, so it's totally stable, and it's a global version. So the link will be provided in the description down below, so just check it out and download the zip of 700 MB, and then let's begin. You have to boot into recovery method. So I'm booting in directly from here. So after booting into recovery, the RP recovery look like this. And another method to boot into recovery is to switch off the cell phone and just press holding volume up button and lock button simultaneously till the MI brand won't come. And after finally booting into this, just hit wipe, advanced wipe, and just cache Dalvik cache system data. Just wipe it and just hit back and just reboot once again to the recovery. Most of the people knows how to boot into recovery. It's a basic thing. Who don't know how to boot into recovery, it's helpful for them. So just hit install and just go through where the zip file you have stored, SD card or internal storage. Just hit here and just swipe to confirm. The link in the description down below once again. So I will be back after completing this. So guys, finally it's done. So just hit reboot system, do not install. It will take quite a second to boot it up, so be patient. And I have made a previous video about installation of MIUI 8 ROM on my channel. So it was just a developer based ROM, and it is a stable ROM which is created by MIUI. Actually it's a global version. Here you can see Android is booting up, so it will take quite minutes, so I am skipping this part. So finally we are booted on MIUI 8, so let's install it. I guess it's pretty different from the developer version. If you have already installed the developer, you will find difference between the startup guide. I will install my Wi-Fi later. Skip this. Okay. Yes. There are some of the themes which you can apply. Yeah. Applying Ocean Breeze. I love this theme. So finally setup completed. You're ready to rock MIUI 8. So finally we are on MIUI 8. So let's quickly go to the settings and watch the still it's on KitKat. It's a sad thing. I think that it should be on Lollipop though. So that's it guys, and let's check some camera views. Okay, so guys, here is my channel. So please subscribe my channel, and you will able to get many of the videos about Redmi 1S. So thank you guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.